Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. To be honest, landscape videos is not for Instagram Reels. If you still want to upload it to the Instagram Reels, you have to upload it in a certain way. Let me show you. So here, for example, I just click on my plus icon to upload a video. This is my video. I will just go to the Reels section. If I just go to the Reels section and if I try to, automatically this video format is like this. So you have to edit in a different way. For example, if you still want to do it, you can just rotate the video, right? And once you rotate the video, let me just do the drop down and you can zoom in like this, right? So in this way, you can just upload the same video in landscape format, right? But if you want to do it over the post section, because I've shown you over the reel section, so let me just go to the post and I will select the video and I will just click on the next, and here automatically it will take the same. Of course, you will get the here and you can just click on like this. So you just rotate it or you can do it in this way. So whatever, it's up to you. In this way you can just upload. For example, now I will just click on next, and of course I will get the same option, right? Captions and everything. If you click on share, then it will get shared, right? So it is getting uploaded, and in few seconds it will be uploaded to Instagram Reels. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.